Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So as we all know, for the past few months, AI is getting better by the day and Canva is also catching up. So in this video, I'm going to take you through some of the main features of Canva Magic Studio. So Canva Magic Studio comes with a lot of features that were only possible on Photoshop. Now it is available right in Canva. So to get these features, the sad news is you have to have Canva Pro. And the good news is I have a way around that. So if you check the description of this video, if you click on the first link, it will lead you to a tutorial that I created earlier on, talking about how to get Canva Pro lifetime for free. It is not some black hat method, it is a legit way to get Canva Pro for free lifetime. Basically, the idea is I'll show you how to get into Canva themes. Because of that, you will get access to the Canva Pro features. It is a legitimate thing and there's nothing illegitimate about that. So just take 2 to 3 minutes of your time, go and watch that video, get Canva Pro and come back and continue this tutorial. So today I'm going to take you through 6 major features of the Canva Magic Studio. So the first one we are going to do is background remover. So I've uploaded this image, or simple, you can go to elements, then you can search for images to use so that you can follow along. Then here we have magic eraser, then here we have magic expand. That's the third feature, magic expand. Also, this is from Canva. If you go to elements and search, you can get all these pictures. Then we have magic grab, then we have grab text. I took a screenshot and uploaded it onto Canva. So just take any screenshot or any image with a text and upload it. Then the last one, we have magic edit. So now let's go to the first feature, which is background remover. So what you do is you upload the image you want to remove the background. So let's say this is the image I want to use. So you simply select the image, then click on edit photo. Once you do that, the Magic Studio features will come out. So the first one we are going to use is BG remover, background remover. So simply click on it. And within a few seconds, Canva has removed the background of the image. So that's the background remover feature. So now once you remove the background, you can use it to do any design you want. Now let's move to the next feature, which is magic eraser. So let's say you have an image like this and you don't want certain parts of the image. Let's say you want to remove this thing, or you want to remove this thing. So this is where magic eraser comes in. So select the image, click on edit photo, then click on magic erase. So once you do that, it will bring out a brush. So you can increase or decrease the size of the brush depending on the size of the element you want to remove. So if you want to remove this thing, you can see that it is small. The size of this brush is okay, but if you want to remove something like this, you can increase it. So let's say we want to remove this thing here. So just brush over it. And as you can see, Canva has done its magic. It has removed the tool perfectly, as if nothing was here. You can also remove this thing, so just brush over it. As you can see, Canva has removed it. It's not perfect, so you can repeat it until you get a perfect result. So this is okay. So let's move to the next feature, which is magic expand. So let's say you have an image like this and you want to expand this image to fill the frame. So first, let me position it like this. So what you do is you select the image and click on edit photo as well. Then it will bring you to this Magic Studio features. Now the feature we are going to use now is magic expand. So just click on it. Then here you are going to select the size, whether you want to fill it to the whole page. You are going to make it square. There are other options. You are going to make it 16 by 9, 9 by 16. The choice is yours, but I'm going to select whole page. So I'm going to click on whole page, then click on magic expand. And within a few minutes, Canva has expanded our image to fill the frame or to fill the canvas. This was only possible on Photoshop. Now you have 4 options, so you can go through and see which one you want to use. I'm going to use the first one. It seems perfect. Also, if you are not happy with the results, you can click on generate new results and it will give you new options. Isn't that amazing? So let's move to the next feature, which is magic grab. So what this feature does is we have elements on a background. So if you want to remove the elements or you want to grab the elements from the background, then this is the feature you are going to use. Let me show you. So what you are going to do is to click on the image as usual, then click on edit photo. Then we are going to use the magic grab feature. So we are going to click on magic grab, and within a few seconds Canva will separate the elements from the background. So as you can see, the elements have been separated from the background. So isn't that amazing? It's so amazing. So you can copy this one and paste it on a different background. You can do whatever you want to do with it. So this feature is very amazing. So you can resize it, you can reposition it, like the choice is yours. Whatever you want to do with it, you can right click and copy it, then you can paste it on a different layer. Now let's move to the next feature, which is grab text. So this is a screenshot I took from a website, and now I want to extract this text. This is an image. So as you can see, this is an image. I want to extract the text from the image. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the image, then come to Magic Studio and click on grab text. And after a few seconds, Canva has separated the text for us. So you can click on it, you can copy it. Here you can also change the font of the text. So just look through and change the font to whatever you want. You can also copy it and paste it on Microsoft Word. Let me show you. So just click and Control A, Control C, then open Word. So this is Word. Right click, then select the third option and click on paste. You can do some small adjustment to make it look better. So let's move to the next feature, which is magic edit. So you have an image like this. Let's say we want to replace this thing with a bookshelf. So what you are going to do is to select the image, click on edit photo, then click on magic edit, so which is here. Click on it. Then you have a brush. You are going to increase or decrease the size of your brush. So let me increase it small. So this is okay for me. Then you are going to describe your edit. But before you describe your edit, you are going to select the part of the image where you want to edit. I want to change this thing into a bookshelf. So that's what I'm going to select. So let me increase the size of the brush again. So this is okay. So just brush here. So once you are done with your selection, click on continue. Now you are going to type a text, right, to describe what you want to add here. Canva has given you some inspirations, but if you are not okay with that, just type what you want. So I'm going to type bookshelf, then click on generate, and there you have it. Within a few seconds, Canva will replace that image with a bookshelf. Here too, you have 4 options. So you can select this, you can select this, and you can select the fourth one. It is still loading. Isn't that amazing? Or you can select this, and within a few seconds you have made this amazing design. Within the 4 options, choose the one you want and click on done, and that is it. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.